In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create an abstract art in 5 minutes. Let's create a grid. If you don't see in the menu, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. We need 100 x and y subdivisions. Let's add a Voronoi texture, and add the displace modifier. Please match my settings. Ctrl 3 to subdivide. Right-click and shade smooth to smooth the surface. Let's add a point light, apply a new color, and Shift-D to duplicate. I'll set up the render scene at this angle. Please watch a tutorial listed in the description to match my final render settings, as I'm using a cloned look dev HDRI setting. Let's turn off Use Nodes under Compositing. I'll also use 32 samples to render. Let's lower the point light value to 5 to increase the visibility of the material colors. Let's increase the subdivision level to 3 to smooth the mesh. This is the end of the tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.